Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Planner for lightweight project management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Planner, start by signing into your Microsoft 365 account. Once logged in, locate the app launcher icon in the upper left corner of the homepage. Click on the app launcher to reveal a list of available applications. Look for Planner in the list of apps. If you don't see it, you can click on All Apps to find it. Once you locate Planner, click on it to open the application. You will be directed to the Planner dashboard. To create a new plan, click on the New Plan button. In the pop-up window, enter a name for your plan. You can choose to make the plan public or private. Select Create Plan to finalize this step. With your plan created, you can start adding tasks right away. Click on Add Task to enter a task title. Set the due date and assign the task to team members if necessary. Add additional details, such as descriptions or checklists. To organize tasks, you can create buckets by clicking on Add New Bucket. Name your bucket and start moving tasks into it as needed. You can track your project's progress using the visual charts available. Remember to collaborate with team members through comments and file sharing. As you manage your project, adjust and update tasks as required. Explore other features like labels and filters to refine your workflow. Using Microsoft Planner helps you streamline project management effectively. Enjoy the ease of tracking projects and collaborating with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.